When you can go there, when you can go arrest my junior brother for Nigeria, now then your sister now can call me, come they beg me. La how much my can what do I see the police station? Even when I go social media, that was what she was saying. On my one day, your sister had never one day called back with this man say, fire, or make you give me information about you. The funniest part, information about you, or my one day time when one day, tamame, birawe or teme, no. Or tell me, no, when she would tell me would the things maybe now one kind based on normal family matter, all those kind of if the be or Agbare me area. I mean, I would think when she uttered that word for Matt. Okay, when you Matt to give me. No, all she was after is her own business. When the matter you say, if only good man one day. When it away, we cannot carry you, we cannot carry you, we cannot carry you. She has never uttered those words out of her mouth. Understand? That is where you get it wrong on the video you did. We matter will give Frank. Matter will give Frank. No. Yes, she give me business to do, which is advert. And I did the advert. Every month she paid me. Where is the who? Or baby way. Ona is calling me. But with the smile, let's end the deal. Even when we were doing advert, it was making money. In fact, it will increase my salary. She increased the salary that she was paying me every month. Ona increased the the advert. Money was coming. She increased the salary. We do it to the extent for how many months before now, okay, yeah, I will stop. He end the contract. When she end the contract, I answer. Me, I not get to follow and they argue. And she by herself give me contract. And she called me, say, do have for me. When the month I see they go on, she see they put money. Later I still call me, say, okay, you continue. And I okay, no problem. The business contact end. That's why you don't ask me measure fairly good organic skincare for my platform again. Ask me for you. But one thing she know, she not even know. Even as she end the contract, people still called me for her number, and I still give them her number. Ask me for you. People still they call me after she don't end the contract. Since how many years now? Since how many months now? She don't end the contract. People still they call me for her number, and I still they give her a number out. You understand? Ask me for you. You understand me now? So say she give me your matter. No, Fairly Good never did. She never give me Rita matter. Say go bully Rita or go discuss Rita. Fairly Good not do. Instead, Fairly Good they beg me say, that's what she always say. And they will not turn up till today. My boy are going last. You understand? Now, Fairly Good. Felicia Gumegu. Edowe. Amaka Moria will return Yabo. Or what you don't know. You understand me now? A no sense in what apart from social media is to you have already did the go wagon, when the Biago Yabi, you only do a resort. No, I am mobile. You only do a resort because they already do talk resort the banner, but it will do Balowa. Because at the reason, if two are in the boom, they say, oh, Ninwamu you or Veno, or a brain was so knock. Or blood is thicker than water. Or I go take home in social media. Felicia, I first of all think about this thing. Felicia, or think when Rita a live video presenter no, but when now he cataracts. Rita is supposed to be the person not going to in the West say, if you people are in good terms. You people are supposed to be cooperative in the way that YT move forward. And how relationship wise is better off. It will be a good example to others. Instead, you Felicia, or not humiliate to win. If more than not take women, and one if no for one, I'll learn because it's way a man. Or not humiliate to win, not over you and over Irani. The social media, not more well at this going with social media. He is now your mentor. Are you not ashamed? And Monica is now your mentor. I watched the video you did. I was ashamed of you. Let me tell you one thing, Felicia. If you enter social media, you kill your career. If you enter saga, I'm going to tell you so. If you enter saga, a business you any who work there. On never saga na ye mi winner. Or my any customer ama wona saga. Or I mean if you come out or in Monica money, you go only just end up disgracing yourself. And I tell you the truth. If you think it's saga for business people, you get that wrong. If you feel say saga, may I tell you, go look many platforms we don't do saga. They are all monetized. If you want monetized page or you want to grow your page, it's not by saga. If you get good content, good things what they do, these same people when they watch us when they do saga, they will still go watch you on their convenience time when you do the right thing. You understand? How can you person we don't you? I think of just look all of una when they follow Monica, when they clap and they follow Monica. Monica don't beat all of una. It don't humiliate all of una. Go look Kate when they talk to them when they support Monica. Monica don't now find the best first week. When bring Kate mama come on. Now Monica let us know say Kate mama they do behavior. Now Monica let us know say Kate carry mark for balance carry. But today none of them una never they think. I mean then una brain knock. I mean they do now. You get the way they do now. Person way don't humiliate your parents. Now I come be your mentor. Okay, what are you trying to learn? Okay, you say according to you, Felicia, Monica can I teach you work. So Monica not the last time you want to continue for Monica for stop, not teach you work. Wait till as in I understand which kind of work Monica teach you now. How to bring people papa come out, how to bring people parents come out, because they humiliate people parents. Those are the because now they can't work what they teach. Those are the things which you don't learn. How as a woman with their husband house, they sleep around. Now they can't work what she teach you now. Because now everybody will be married now. Why will they love you around? Because definitely according to you, because in Munani way ni mawa live video anything. Ni mawa fioko di family, fioko di group. When I hear kiro bayare here. So are those things that Felicia not try yourself enter social media saga, you go wrong. If you measure up for your mouth again, say you join Monica, the way I go take saga you for this live video, you don't go believe yourself. But I'm not with this man, I mean they tell you that thing so. This video, now warning and message and advice for you. If you and your sister get banamish, wanna carry and go ask, wanna go solve a problem. If you and your sister they quarrel, wanna carry the matter go ask, go solve a problem. Nobody wanna hear social media call the disgrace on yourself. Make una get shame. Wagi kuyamu wa. Wa like live video go full live video. O me wa pologbera. You people now get family, Erarowa, Ihirowa, or solve issue wa. I mean, that's a conference call. The both of you can conference yourself and narrate your deeds to your parents at home. The misunderstanding between both of you, or narrate it with the family. This is the reason why not tired all the time. Most of the family, because they cannot call you people together to order to settle you people. Instead, you will bring your dirty character to social media and be talking. You understand? You know, by what the family was Felicia, Rita, the both of you should settle yourself out of system, out of camera. The character, whatever, wa more de la video. Akbo bonuwa, emani akbo bonuwa ti yan giwa. And the truth, emani akbo bonuwa na better where yes, if Monica, Rita, on my fans, Felicia, bana will the fans in all Monica fans will be on that big with you. One person is manipulating you all to be killing yourself, fighting yourself. Why they wise? All these things is done under the influence of Monica. Rita is against Monica. Now the sister is supporting Monica. Automatically, then the sister now want to turn against and back Monica and be blasting the sister. Sister to sister, they fight themselves. Family to family, they fight themselves. Why we need bua? No, not the shame. Watch if you need make a Monica a sister. A sister no be on social media. Since she make a Monica a sister because they have the same character, they have the same knowledge, the same owner, the same Zoe is with them. Watch Venivi, she has been backing that woman up for the beginning. Since no ya make a man change because he cooperate with that kind of association. You understand? Who you don't go to the group association. If now, especially if you come to social media for saga, that is the only way you will reign. That is the only way you will make it. My sister, you see that your business, that your legit business, where you self they do, where they get and clear small. You understand? Because 1 + 1 now 2. Now that business you want condemn. Now that business, now you want saga. I'll tell you the truth. You know the reason why, if you don't know, make I tell you, the person where you want saga today, nothing where you want talk for your mouth where they never fair hear. Nothing where you want to saga today, where be say, we never fair talk. You feel me so? But now when we will be the men, the saga, and the sweet, no see at one people, equal vague, when I 2 years a be. So when I use my brain, when I just carry on family matter, go has. Why am I like social media? Every no ma, every no ma be ho. I don't buy it on always home. We have to bonua. Every no ma. You understand? So Felicia, it's a shame. It's a shame. You want it. You tell you the truth. It's a shame. Do not gele no gele me. Felicia, damn you not gele mo no gele me. Anyway, we are more saying. Here we could not for. Okono fofa eso okono fo akiyoma arere o mo understand okono fo akiyoma arere because of the creep when we were here ni una gele amo no gele ni nwen rere gbana first class organic skincare. Monica was the ambassador. Lolo was the ambassador because of a first class total where the two of them are committing, the two of them are nuisance. Il a bloqué contract, il a ended contract. It was shown on social media. You understand? You, as in the same skincare, when I who because of where you want belong. Because when you want belong, when Monica will hear it's not your mentor. Your mom, it's a shame for you. You should be ashamed of yourself. The same Monica that beat you black and black. Why go here and walk body Monica? The Monica Maika Beruwa. No my humiliated. I know where is here Precious Meg. No way he you yet Monica. Monica can't bear and then Mura Yella, the social media. Monica will only Monica will young wear black and blue. Or yeah, Mueli, I know my way. Monica more like the social media. Ye boy no we are allowed on the same Monica. Monica Moye boy la dans Zanziye boy. Ye boy Iji no bio. Monica's bear out by Yaki social media. Ye boy bobo lilina. But ye la on this. Get the ya Monica no my no we you social media. Name them. Ya bugby wa bugby. When Felicia and Monica sounds well social media. We bobo lilina. I think I will wire. Or even Monica Yahu wow. Or I go one and whatever can you imagine? Or I go a begune while you act with guy. Why you act boboli or no go one. Beluga the bag yawin. Why you act with guy? You understand? Who are more? Who are more inside Gaga? I understand. You understand who are more women on your telephone. I bet you feel something and feel the young why. I wonder the kind of people wanna be. I wonder why we don't get sense. I wonder why we don't get sense. When I bold Ladian, Felicia, when I bold Ladian, I bold no one live video. When I with boldness, you gather courage, you enter live video. Can they endorse Monica for this social media? In my only 8 year born. I want to wait for you for the second time. That time you go no say about this man. Anybody will endorse Monica, now my enemy. You understand? Anybody will endorse Monica. Why we be Ladian? We will endorse Monica in live video. Again, in part 2 of about this man, it will not be advice. Because anybody know endorse Monica, a group here with Monica. A group with Monica, ban or Ganawa. Again, you may hear now GPC, Akia Mangola, because we may go with GPC. We will go for your amiable, Afioko, we will because they two were with GPC. You could have not even do what to an army issue. Just come out with what to issue. Do what Rita, 1 hour, we deal with Rita 1-on-1. Deal with Rita with your own kind of style. Always, first of all, I don't understand. Who be Monica? I Monica. They know your way. They know me. Monica me who know your way. Now the Monica teach you walk. Like seriously. Di muna pa ni Monica, di minyon pa ni Monica me social media no ngama we. Di minyon pa no me no social media no ngama we. Ena ya wosa gae. Ena harobi yo ma. Ita usu kita ni Monica bi social media we kin. Usu shiwa wa ni bie no ga gbo. E we hin. Wa ye wa media. Eni wa ya re gbo la din bi ya gele adi wituwa. You understand? I don't need to wait for I go distraction one after the other. As you your mouth come out, it good. Ya ti koye wo nwo sere. Do not get me way usu kiti Monica. Ya ti koye wo nwo sere. You tell me I be want call you for that video. I say no. Ya wa rega no ka. And they say confessional, he we kana. Ita wa ya ken wa ya leji. Ke wa ya refe account ya. No who am to the live video was sere. Wa ya refe account ni Monica no rekeji. Wa ya rekeji Monica dey ye o. No rekeji wa ya iri na ya do wa ya agia one by one. I worry you. This is who like saga. Who ya like saga. Wa have you like that ma wa re ma hewe. Ma na wo dion we saga ma re ma hewe. Wa la dion. Ma hewe. Wa ni bu no le yo da fake account. No gbene. Wa bu se no live video. Wa ni yo da fake account no gbene wa bu se no live video. That is the reason why we are praying that Osalobo no wa ji wa ma. Osalobo no wa ji wa ma. Emi no ma we ya yi we bi no be ma we ni. O be ma we na ti adulterous. O be ma we na ti awe omo na bie awe odo na bie na. O ma be onya. You understand? O be sereba. Sisi we no sunu da Monica ya koda. Wano maimu na. O be asunu da because wa no ma ru. No ma ho ayuru ko. You understand? O no ma ho ayuru ko. Wande ge me no tani we Monica ma we na. E Monica oh, a mentor. You, oh God, that one I love. No, atani. I'm not here. A Monica, I'm with Bob Binne. A Monica, I'm with me. Yes, bed to not buy here where Ogion Ban. Monica, no pack me. Well, if you know, get do. We were a mentor. No, a Monica, no Ogion Ban. Monica, no Rarobi, you will not carry. We lad the tower is your mentor. Hello? I greet you.
Bros, we were not maybe live video now.
Live and direct.
We were not even now. Hello.
Hello, why not?
On video now, we
don't. So when I gather courage, you know Monica boy must do it.
Monica mama winner. Now go my daughter or 7 your name. I beg you. You cannot tell white or dead. Those are not the fight for but so no way. You understand the now? Only 7 your name.
Don't answer no way. Don't answer no way. That is not one of it's not one of people. We cannot tell what I tell there. You understand? O ma wa me. I mean wa we ran. Who are what when I mean shoe. One, I mean egbe na kiri. Don't know guy men egbe yan gun ayi. I'm your one na bege mo. You understand me now? E pau giving na ona we malaka kwa tie. E o awoki. Mona yiko. Wasunu ona zunu. Attack me na genye moki. Ezro na ri ga na ri ogio we no ri kon wa gwe. When I where you are when I with business woman working. You understand? We are what it will expect you but it will italo. When you on here as you were working creamy. We are in the live video. I cannot do tiabo.
Maybe visit to me. Maybe I know I. If you put a moment or say, go me away.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You're Monamako one. If you look me very well, I'm a decent woman. You understand?
Yes.
You're Monamako one. When I'm one. I'm not saying I wear it. You understand? Where's the name of Pama? Imani born up on the live video. You're a new time. Nina Lajan, Nina Colliway.
Yeah.
I really thank you for saying the truth. Understand?
Yeah.
When Omaga and we died at Berioji, thank God where we confirm where I never give any information about her. When we were actually listen, I never say any word to you. Thank God where we wait time. Oma when utai lo le Monica we lu dojo ya bonye ni oge kwe kubivani. God bless you for that. Oma understands.
Yeah.
If you pack and you waya he, understand. Okay, now tell one I tell then anything my sister heard about me. Or see me. Mega heme, ya comfort. Understand.
Yes.
Anytime we are in live video, and I take you back with me, or we finish in the end of the time, maybe you know her problem, her fans is her problem. I'm not a presenter.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I was pastor, eat here for me. Only live video, we have here for me. Of which she might like the bully is so much. Even fake accounts, I can't even watch a comment. Even table no be live video. Working with live video or working me when me they manage ni many at your bonoma. No, I don't do that. I can't believe any social media money day. When not now like that, let on away no. Many a year can also a live video. You not don't answer anybody because you must say when we say my work with business in the beginning. Honestly, not call you in a respective way. Understand the now?
Yeah.
If you pack and you're away, as far as we family matter no.
Yeah.
And when I say Nigeria, you tell my GN, maybe Jimmy Ataloma, maybe tell my mommy many. So maybe now halfway, here must to check, here must to show here. You understand? It could show up as or no, you blood the window. He bought a video, but you know that can do women. You understand? First time, second time, also no now moving. Some of our words were killing or doing answer. No, now tell me now when you tell my word or 7 years, edit your bomb, you are away. You understand the winner? Sorry for my mood, yes, David Yahweh or anything. What my like a what Papa no love me, what you like a. If I we don't give it money. What a penny like a, who don't want to go a move in your ship. You understand? No, the other day, I can call me, I can call me, I call me, where, my no man, I will not what they get to the better, you know that. No, I'm a very whenever.
But in the case, what should it man down your what down your man? Yes, wanting the only come over. You make a guitar, man, fairly good. You knew where we went, the retarded. Omanga with video. Down your man. Yes, they was pronounced. Yes, down my sister down your. What do you understand? What I wear no gon be a cook in your way. You understand? On have one thing. This is negative avant. On understand you now. We don't feel mad with the guagbe woman. Man, they gave me wajina, yet you wala deba. All the thing in life, you don't even look at me, so you know. Understand? Do you know what we mean? What about message to Rita and Felicia? You understand? Oh, I am where you are going. Oh, I want accusing you, I am accusing, but see, never again, I have to thank you. You understand? Don't man ask you anyway. Let's come to reality. One particular things, no, I'm die you, but yes, every no get it anymore, swinging. Understand? On a fit and go, eaten or fee, or must anyway, don't take a little more away. We're not going anyway. You understand? If I energy, you understand me now? Since I'm asking, and a commenters is sort of no what we go. You understand? And you can go for forward the go. You can go for forward the go. But you also should always use brain. Or you know, I call him in India. Or one I call you, come here, women. I was with you live video, me where or not dick me, no so place you get matching my table in a one name. Now, my son, we live video for the past 3 months now. Now, allow my sister, even no soon, come holding no call you when we don't forward the video go and may not tell any. So then we watch a hey, where the way forward they give me. On our okay. If video can mommy video forward the gear, you can see where some of the commenters here only our series on it. You understand? There are things we use our brain, our wisdom. We will be fighting ourselves on this live video. You understand me now? Also, Megbina no Megbina. You understand? In case of next time, I'm not worried. Hold on, but Kegbena. Why? Let's see Kegbena. Egbe don't know where we are. The video no will not anyway. The video no will not tell me your Egbe. Who can make video in the last year? who was winning, eh? You understand me now? Area where you in the social media, my so you know, I mean, I want to sugu, I want to yotiku, I want to ya hear you, Agbunu Yeni, only Agbunu Yota. You understand? So one now I home, I feel in my home because I'm winning here. You understand? If I have a report on the social media, where the other reporters sugu are everywhere. You understand? So I'll see one win in life now. You reason. Hey, you ain't bigger ballow. You understand? Oh, man, no, we don't do things like that. There's not like one person. Oh, you know.
He's on the water away. He's suspect to go on solo away. Mother stands. Make it one. Where I can't phone it. Mother stand. You want already one. He can do comfort over. It's a before when okay later with TA. You comfort a yaga. It's a my yaga. Moka tama when they do queen and nigga. On one hour, you're not with your sorry with Mooney. Who we are settled our differences. So when we write again, we are where what do queen and nigga, what do we look at? You understand? Open the case and my sister, my way saga with family. Anyway, saga, you women, Emma women. No, but social media, now what you're bombing. In that, that's what to we are confirming. No, not tell me, and not la danita my way, or 7 yoni. I knew very yoni.
Yes. Made a mistake. Let me correct you for that. You understand me now? As a Soviet doing. Or we yes, Guinea Kuna Bioba. Oh, ya, senior woman. Understand me now? Ubioba, we will be your baby more. Oh, ya, senior woman. Oh, where? Oh, mono, all the way back, oh, no, we was soon. You understand? Or we make my fee, you do my fee. Oh, you're there. As done, even damn your list.
I'm not sending anybody message.
Okay.
That was my question. If us or no, understand?
Yeah.
If followers or no, whatever you not your watch your a follow for no, Oga comment to that big women, he got talking. Understand even now. So, much now white walking, let you do your hair out, or now we are attending this money. Understand?
Yes.
Again, my party, we are away live with you. What I'm at 1 minute now. And last time I think I have been a boy. I will do very fine. Understand?
Yes.
When your back and your body left me, my brother, wait a minute, we're not even waiting now. Who got it anyway? When my brother, Lao, Baba, and where?
Yeah.
I will not come out.
Yeah.
But she may tell what part of course I am with there.
No.
Understand?
Exactly.
Yes, I don't want to back when you don't fail. You boy a boy. Yvonne. Now, to our man, c'est loin, my métier. Understand?
Yeah.
Oh, moi, oh, what kind of way that not you want to advise, every advice. You like it. Many imagine now. I mean, what that's the if it is never need. Understand? You want to board or my after my young one of my neck. You got come over to win another leg, win another leg. I put nothing that I'm not better than what them a young. But tell me, what's in it, Betty?
Okay, no problem.
Utana. But okay. Also, wait a moment, my way. What time of it, mother? I want my echo, better any many were in the platform again. Come here, we're going to go to all being a good one. What of that?
Yeah.
Okay, the followers were women, brother. Before social media with that video, in a Facebook. When I opened my Facebook, I have my own page. That is Felicia Mega Superstar. How many years of Careva? In my way, that's no open Feli Godoni Rivani. Anywhere open now when you are make up, no. Understand? Everyone here will start directly with the viewers. Let me with the viewers. Again, I will claim they direct you a live video. A page of keke now, but a Facebook now. I do business. Why I give me a customer or two? Or a buy to their men. A business in face for many years. But now, it don't have a business in here. Or only you see well than you see well at them. Maybe I'll give up one. Or say now, you know, take it away. My brother, nevertheless, he made the mistake nothing to our side because of what no men. Okay, any women no why. But when me am go panic women no why they there. What understand even now?
Mozoto.
Panic women no why they
there. Ina wuzo no feel we.
If you stay na la jana to go e la go drop a case now. Down equal level.
Okay, no problem.
If why me we drop a case now. His family issue. Here give my quick marry la dem social media. Mo mo la dia. No so. Drop a case in the family at
okay. Off with it. Off with it. I'll say you're not going to matter now. I understand because when the one reason everywhere, the matter really no. You understand? When the one reason matter really no. Yeah, I understand.
Did I take any action? I did take any action because here where we were fear, first time, second time, my brother. My brother may hear me away. La will go, That will go. A family issue, and I'm in a master with me. Okay. What best of what I would be like baby? Who will come my way? No way answer no, even if check a even like the Nina Yawasaga. Okay, I wouldn't be a day. A retire monetize it. You know I can't do saga. Unu megaje. Enemy have come here no be a maybe a gualo. Mama wana agwe no so ni meta you no better bani. Meje na ginye. Baba na bono so afin de mi akwa. I don't be like that. What understand even now? Okay, gaga to e je when you just be mega we no teni because the bega apalo me. Understand even now? Even promise where another time. When I go to Ladia, when I go to Ladia again, when I go to feel like we like to know how to go to correct and I go to this time. He promised another thing. All of your time when you can lily. I am free. I'm adult to follow who I want to follow in my life. Now, my brother, I do love you.
No, Allah.
You want to work with my problem is there. We are friends.
No problem.
You know that.
No problem.
My problem is there. Anybody says on in my far. And with anybody on a live video, man, because I never insulted you in your life. I'm not going to be on it. I want to make a bomb, it's a bonnet. I want to be able to make so. Even so, if I did I hear you. Wọ́n ló gbá ní ẹ̀kẹ́ bọ́ ni mẹ̀mí live video. Okay, na we know them. Ọ̀gí finish ní ọ̀nà àgbà ẹ̀ náà wọ́n ti hàn. Nílé live video. Mi ọ̀ ti hàn. Mẹ̀mí ọ̀nà ọ̀dọ̀ gbin náà ní mẹ́.
No wala, you want to shit me.
Mẹ̀mí ọ̀nà ọ̀dọ̀ gbin náà my brother láwo go drop a case ní ìwádìí gbé wà yín mi àwọn láwo go.
All right, no problem.
May God bless you for saying the truth. Èmi àlùtà.
Exactly.
You understand?
What?
Thank you so much,
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Like a man,
okay. Okay. No.
Thank you so much. God bless you. We are sister, we are blood.
Right.
Because you want to
all right. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay. Ciao. Just so a lot of people just call. Hello.
Hello, Frank.
Yeah, the phone.
Yeah.
Rest. You want speaker? All right. Yeah, I hear you loud and clear. Yeah. Yeah.
able to right. Women on him. When they retire, when they been on for anything else, no, why? Because my dog, where we look at the time when you and the boy are getting one. Oh, no. Or not table make or not able to Jimmy or not able no man I want it for life. We may be on my forgiving spirit or anything. I'm a woman not able to or no more than I don't know where when I don't know where or differ. One way it's a usual woman winner. Do not know my fuck with my name when I know my.
Oh my god, I don't. The way I asked him.
Dimuna no my tell me where so you know in my you give a balance area vision not able na republic. Have you on a bit near for?
Okay, mama, then you pick a call. We know him no my or we call or thing no my.
My what's it called?
Hello. Hello.
When anybody get called, let me do it to people. That is why I called you. Only 7 your bros. One.
Okay.
Don't do any family matter. I don't know why.
Mujane, not the shot. Wait. Down here. Listen. Damn your man, shot on a minute. You are going wild duck. Well, I do the shot for me. Listen to me. Damn your man, listen. I will not be, or when I'm even here. You understand? Why we family issue, why we family why this social media. You know, when I go social media, so my, you know, say why you all the gather book. You understand? That's number one. Damn your man. Down your in every nonsense there's a sense. You understand me? Nyata live video nana. Ita live video nana sing. Ya de you vien. No mama no ro file kwa. No mama no ro uri la wa. Okay, yeah, tie bonu. Yeah, tie bonu.
Okay. Me, I don't need advice from anybody. The money get advice from anybody.
Okay, no problem. We have heard you.
I don't need it.
I've heard you.
That is why I call you to beg you to drop this case. Now will go my brother. Drop the case now. Okay.
Okay. I drop a case now. Honey, I wanna drop a case now. Okay. No problem. No problem. I've heard you.
I beg you.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right.
What's it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just so my people agree to know better style. You understand? Now, as you talk, I want to really drop the case. You understand? The reason why I come out this morning, come talk to Rita and his sister. Not because of the video where Rita do. One, say, Felicia carrying matter. Give me. You understand? I want to clear the hair. Because majority of them know, say, really, I was doing advert for Felicia, which is the woman where they talk so. You understand? But she had never one day talk about Rita. The only thing which she always talk about Rita, say, my brother, Mona said, I better leave my sister. Now, what she always talk with that one. Me never know, say, that kind of blood sister like that. You understand? Say she can't tell me, Steve, go beat Rita or this one. She has never done that. You understand? That's the reason why I come out to make I can't talk in my own side because my name come out from inside. Whenever the less she don't come out and say the man of the rich family, now waiting I want be that one. It's better they settle themselves family than to carry and come out for social media, call they talk on social media. Because not be everything supposed to be carry, especially things we concern family issue. Unless you not get papa and mama, social media will be your family. You understand? If you get father and mother, your father and your mother or your family or your relative supposed to settle the dispute between two of you. It's not be the one with the break come up for live video. So I want to use this video to beg of now because another one deal that one we did a course. The one where I want to talk last. Na course and a Rita. Rita Kate. The one where I want to talk later in the evening. Kate, this year I go to go beat you. Don't be joke. I go to go beat Kate for this social media. Then I just make that announcement. Kate, that wish where you chop, so that zinc pop where you chop, so that you go vomit on this live video. You go vomit that wish where you chop. I talk and say, no more recording. No more recording. Kate, you know here. Even you can't even record. You don't even record the name of that person. You can't even record the movie. Oh God. You won't even record person. You don't even see that person record. You can't say a part of the movie now you want record. The kind of Ogun want kill you on Sunday. That Ogun still do Holy Mary Church. They do press up. The Ogun will go kill you. You see the church they do press up. You want gather both God or God power, holy power. Can't gather love. They come for you. Just wait to. My law say no more recording. Hashtag say no to no more recording for this year. No more recording. Person they talk to you, if you don't get brain to don't cram what you want to talk, forget what you talk. Listen for only your brain alone. You know who anybody explanation for social media when you want to record people privacy. They come and call the break come live video. Just wait for me and they come for you. You understand? I will deliver you for this social media. You feel me so? I go deliver you. You where they talk say person, mama they watch your video. You will carry Monica hair tie, send and go New Zealand. Go give Osaye Mary no fiyan go that one was they come. Osaye Mary we no say born beside pikin. He come social media call the form witchcraft. And they come for 2 of now. Ya go about social media now. Osaye Mary they collect 800 euro. I mean 8,000 euro. They collect them for honorary leave. Some of them where they are brother. I don't know whether that's honorary leave. Who are they? This is where one they better way. Person we see this darkness they want to show on road. You want to show on where they light road. We don't get sense. And they come for kids. I said no more recording. You the record because you want to prove something. Abi? You don't just you want to fool yourself. You want to prove something. When you work in media, I am also deliver. There's never a time but here we social media. Anytime you understand? Oh no musi ne ko e musi azeno. We to buwe tasa we to buwe kasa we dey zone. Azeni ni we mo social media. The same you all your record I go the pillar of the one after the other. The same you go jealous who get 10 who get 1K view. You go jealous who get 300 viewers. You go jealous, you jealous me. You carry the matter go balawo. You kids. You carry the matter, you carry go to place. I be you for I can go play Sarah video. You know say Sarah confess all your deed, all your evil do. He confess all of them on social media. I no one just talk. A part the movie never from my hand pass. And the movie you follow the message. You record a part of the movie. You call the plan for live video. And the movie come they call you. Come call you for your live video. Me. They may call you. You go on the live video. Una stupidity won't call too much. Now be like that. This will be say as make a joke quiet for about how many days now. You know when you have one even you get working the what's one zoo. What does if you have bola we be a kid. A get if a bola we be a where we have made we record them and we want to your old saga if they come ya prepare way ya loga babola we igbe aga no go ze gbe aga na me you we na want to collabo e buhari you here awa be you are and they come for you your old saga ya kun anybody will record for this social media una dey say forward me the video. Anybody will record person for this live video, come play out. When they forward me the video. You get luck. So no be person like me, you can't record me. You die well now. Your saga not infinity. You die well. You go na gbelo a frustration gbelo agbon. Frustration gbelo agbon. Why you move your why do you ever recording? Recording boda boye kinu gbelo agbon. Why do you call them? I want to call them record them. Why bear? Why you say fire? I can yamiri. I can boki. Jayade. You know lafi aniko. Wa go. I can gbin. We no gbin one. You don't for gbin one. Yage kia queen. Kia queen we marriage na. We ni go na re honeymoon. Kia queen re honeymoon. Aga we marriage gbe okoma. We ja we marriage babola we gbe. Nda we ko we ma. Eke danu mure. Kiye down bio, then you will not bio because you will be this way will be where you are there. But you be again. Abola, I will go back home. They know anyway, they know that. Don't worry. When we are no road, doing more wall, ya wall or doing. Abi ko ni ho wa ni tiwe. Abi ko ni de ho go ni tiwe ni gwalekia jale kia me na tianto ni ana zoa ni ana ho. Abi France we no ho wa ni mo re gboto. Ba bona lawa ya gbe fagbon. No po boye we no ape record. Record na gbe wa fagbon. Why you wa sifa? Also, when you will not be encouraging other women. You will not be encouraging presenters to be recording people. It rest. Presenter, no call it presenter. I record one. Yeah, call it. Our soccer. I make water. We know before flat way river. Wagwa. Get to know where you're going. I don't know if you also have a tick where we want you want to la who work with. Imagine la palapa the way who want you who la who when you do la who when you quit. Also, when I'm young, also we have that don't have the house here because we have who want it would. We have who when you would pity. I will lava. They want to make no man near bedjoy. Ebe bejo. Ave fefe ko ibona ne kinya ye wo. He wa mu hia, wa dada mu hia. Ya kin. Ekete gbegbe aga no wo agbo. Online wa na gbegbe aga. Online wa na gbegbe aga no wo. Ku ki juwe. Iju aja ki kin na ku clean de. Obe de kia, obeda la wu ebo be obe go €50 bebu. €100 to rank. Wa go. Awo no pe musuni hobele go suma money ashi wele asalo awagun o ma mu mo ko na re fun na record the movie ba bo lawe gbe agwa biju awagun iju be the movie yigbe agba the movie na ile call you na be cool down nowhere the movie wa the cool safe Iwaku ogun gbaze very any women nyanga atona betina obi bia la jan betin atona bejan wi azo betin wa zuwa wa nyanga wa gbe oworu wa yan fi ne ko wa yan ni Facebook ini go wa mi ni Facebook abani ni Facebook mebeji we na wa kin on wa ro pe owo he wa ro pon e social media wa ya re was we zuore wa record o ga ma record na you give me phone pass on ya phone no to ta gbona ya kun phone le ga lo ya record ma ba bona la wa gbon o ha gi ma ti le gbe ma won ya ti le gbe ma won ya record ma I pity the people that are still calling you I want to go on with you. E wan ti o yan zo ase because ni my way be ni agojo ni wa gogojo no ga be record mo o be o wa be go e o ti ni wa be de ye ti o boy o be gbo wa oh yes e ba ko aro mani wa ni call e no be record mo mani call e no record mo no encourage e wa be awon mind the way o wa be gunyin e de wa be fuck yin o be do gbo wa o se me call wa I don't call you people me do you food ya ta mo ina ga wo buwa ina ga wo bi na gbo wo bi na yin e wa kin eni awe ta mo ye ki bi tai live video mo ba with this man ogun gbazin why is wo ipe ma ipe ya ipe ni ro ho wa o ha gin asa gbada gwan won anya ta mata won wasalo ababu wọ́n wá di fóònù wa call wa record on the phone wa call wa record ya ipo phone wa iba bola we gbe anybody with the record they prepare for war now you record finish now you write you come on a piper you want to gather view or you want to gather followers so without recording now no record no viewers stupidity to the highest level. Una don't feel just sit down, invent things when nobody don't do before. No, you don't feel just sit down, invent things when nobody don't do before. Than to invent record out of the record people to the get viewers. Are you both stupid? I'm at school. Only mean what was all. Do am I school? Doesn't mean everything about life. Your job is stupid. Nothing that you are doing. Once you see one person play record, it gather views. You on that will be that one. Everybody want you to go to the record, so they gather view. No, not get sense. You never see Iyore come and play record. Say, that's what I record this person player. But Iyore is the person who say whether they all are laugh, Iyore they laugh there. 1,000K, 1K5, 1K2, the view for the things which Iyore do. Even if I just laugh, Iyore laugh there. People who have loved you, and I will stick with you on whatever you do. You must not be fully yourself, fully your integrity as a man or a woman before you go see people who they listen to you. If you have good things to offer, if you have good words to offer, good advice to offer, people will be coming there. They'll be listening to you. Mostly be recording people's conversation before people will be listening to you. Nobody should come in. Hello? Yeah. Agumegun. Real life video. Nobody should call. Do you understand? After my live video, you can call me. For now, nobody should contribute. Oh, I record them. Man, yet you live a private life. Nobody go and get private life again. Nobody will communicate with live video presenters because you're recording. Why call? Because of recording, which is very, very bad. And look here, I'm standing it as a warning again. Anybody with the record, and if I find out, I go saga that person. I don't talk. In Thailand, what I eat Thailand, you are Thailand, anybody with the record. If I hear that person, go generation here. Make an arm. We're going on a record. What do you have to prove? I don't understand. And the people they listen to you now, they blame. They listen to you so they while away their depression. Because you don't have anything good. You don't even get good repetition for this social media. One of the worstest presenters for the social media are Kate. If you look Kate's story, she's the worstest presenter. I don't want to see if you make me vex. The way I go take blast all of them on the social media, when they do all this nonsense, I really know when they support Monica. Just go check the people who they support Monica for the social media. And they get the worstest repetition for the social media. Now they clap and they follow our yo-yo. Okay. And you just check them. People even they clap and they follow Monica and they be the real adulterous women. You understand? See, what's be your name? Reteke abina the coco keteke abina kit coco abina kit my nyati way. See, if I hear this, don't worry, you just they continue to do your recording. They do the record. When I call her, this one sound as a warning for her. If you record the key, a problem. I don't tell all the women, all of una. I know they move all of our presenters, our female presenters, when they do all this recording. I don't care who you are, all those in the day, all of una. If una record person again, and una come play and I hear her, you got saga wagbe. You got saga oguniyamu buwa if you not die 2 days. When I heard they wait for me. The time one, Irasaga Wagbe, let this one be the first and the last time. Don't worry. Try and make the record again. And you go know what you go feed do. Even you will talk so, where your depression one key for your house, and then you go to know what you go feed do. I mean, that's man. That's how you really play. I understand. That's how they play. If you don't say that, you go know what you go feed do. Who they kill you? Who they kill you? Follow they pay you. You are a lot of who they kill off now. And they mad. Who they kill off now? With the record. That man a useless mother. Have you put the over? Isn't your mighty going on? Isn't your going on? Isn't your butini? I mean, as well. Okono we are there, but don't be here. We are not. Okono, yes, I'm be here over. Somebody you just not be here over. What do you think of it? I pity all those women. Isn't your the problem? It's so mommy not free. Mommy not free. But nevertheless, anybody where they record, now you're seeing, I'm gonna forward the video for me. Only for the record person. I know the truth be down. Now that my content now. I don't get work where they do. I don't do live video. If anybody when you're seeing, I say record person. Or I'm man. Or they content in minute. Understand? Me I want yeah, I want saga with nothing generation. I want saga with any juju place where you want to go. Oh yeah, go. Oh go kill you and that juju person. I mean talking. I would this man. You understand? Anybody when I also say, now WhatsApp did there, you also forward the video for me, channel, problem on the, you not get issue with me, I not get issue with you, leave the rest of me. You understand? We don't want to record, no one the movie, no one call you, we don't want to record the movie. We don't want to play a live video. I'm just we're using the movie we now. It be like say you get just what you use for the movie for this morning. Where the movie can't even call you again. They pray for you, Jonah. Can you imagine? The movie now you don't know where by. We were recorded by the movie. The movie might kick against the act where you perform this morning. The act where you perform this morning. And the movie not even kick against town. They can't even pray for you, Jonah. They pray for you, Jonah. Maybe they record people, maybe they continue recording. Abi? Shaking on the everywhere balance. What up? Bye bye for now. See you guys later. Remind you. And they come for now later. Later. It buade. Now our men. Avec Baniro. We'll talk later. Our men. I'm going to talk to you guys. Understand? Avec Bani frustrated ko webu. Il y avait ça, il y avait la white bene. So what do toi be? Oh what do toi be? Avec Bani Gwale Idenua. On a hold on. On a worry at the comfort. I know me. I greet all of you now. This is Frank Victor. One love. Of it. Do my drink. I want you. Happy Sunday. We'll see you guys.